Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Discover button missing on TikTok. So let's go to your TikTok application. So as you can see at the very bottom, since TikTok is always updating their application, you can see Home Shop, that should be the Discover button. Since we cannot find the Discover button here in our TikTok application, let's exit and go back. Just go to your Google Chrome, just click that and go to tiktok.com. So now at the very bottom, you can now see the Discover button on TikTok. If you will open TikTok on the browser, the Discover button is available. But if you will open your TikTok account in the TikTok application, Discover will not be visible. So that's very simple. Just open your TikTok on the browser so that the Discover button will be available and visible.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.